project time. I want you to make two functions. So the first function, I want it to instance 10 parts. The second function, I want it to be able to take in an argument or parameter of message. Then it checks if that message is equal to the string of 10 parts, please. If that's true, then call function A. Then I want you to assign function B to a chatted event. And hint, you have to use the player added event first before using the chatted event. So pause the video now and then try it on your own and I'll show you my solution for it. Even if you can only do some parts of it, that's awesome. I'll help you out with the rest. So first things first, local function, I don't know, 10 parts, and it's just a simple function. We want it to make parts, and the way you do that is make instance.new part, and remember we have to give it a parent workspace, but we want it to do it 10 times, so we can use a for loop for this. For I equals 1 comma 10. You'll start at 1, go to 10, and end. The computer can handle doing it 10 parts just fine, so we don't have to put a wait. But if you want to put a wait, maybe if you're scared of your computer, I'm telling you, you'll probably be fine, but don't sue me, okay, if your computer crashes. And now we want another function. We'll call this onChatted, since we know we have to attach it to the chatted later on. You don't have to name it onChatted, but why not? So we made function B. It has to take in an argument of message. So we do that. When we write it here, it's called a parameter, and I think when we call it, it's called an argument. I could be wrong on that, so let me know if I am. We won't get into an argument about it. Anyways, then it checks if message is equal to 10 parts, please. So if msg is equal to 10 parts, please, then call function A. So call this function, and we just do that by 10 parts. Now we have to assign function B, aka this one, to a chatted event. So the hint is you have to use the player added before using chatted. So to do that, we do game.players.player added connect, and then we were going to do an anonymous function for this just because we don't have a function already set up. And remember that this gives us which player has joined. Write player just to be different, and then player, when that player has chatted, we can use an event for that. And remember, for events we have to do $C connect after writing the event, and then we can go ahead and give it the onchatted message. When you assign a function like this, you don't have to give it the parentheses. So if we write 10 parts, please. Oh, let's go. The 10 parts appear. That'll be 500 Robux for my admin command script. Thank you.